Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about abbreviations. What are abbreviations? Abbreviations are short forms of lengthy expressions or words. It consists of a group of letters taken from the word or phrase. Abbreviations are used in almost every discipline and area of life. If the first letter of the word begins with capital letters, the abbreviations should begin with capital letters too. Now let's see some examples of abbreviations. Abbreviations for address and direction. North, East, South, West, Building. Abbreviations for groups. Association, corporation, department. Abbreviations for measurement. Inch, foot, yard, millimeter and kilogram. Abbreviations for cooking and baking. Teaspoon, tablespoon, cup or cups, gallon, pound or pounds, pint, quart. Abbreviations for grammar. Adjective, adverb, noun, verb. Everyday use abbreviations. Miscellaneous, Mr., mistress, number, temperature or temporary, versus. Approximately, appointment, as soon as possible, care of, do it yourself, established. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Other common abbreviations. Very important person, automated teller machine, short messaging service. Map locations. Avenue, canyon, drive, lane, road, street, southeast and northeast. Other common abbreviations. Anti-meridium, air conditioning, for example, enclosed, etc. Figure, anonymous. that is limited, per annum, post meridiem, physical education, pages, part, and please turn over. Okay friends, that's all for today. Hope the list of abbreviations were helpful to you. So, before you quit this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Bye friends, meet you soon with a new and interesting video.